Good morning, students. In chapter 1, we had completed page number 13, 14, 15, and 16 word families. Now, exercise article. Fill in the blanks where necessary with a and the or some. Okay, in the picture we have to write here the picture. On the next page you can see Nicobobinus in a shed in an orchard. Poor boy, he is stuck now and need to find we have to write here a way to escape from the shed. He has dirt on his clothes from, there is no need to write any article, climbing over a wall and from bumping into a tree. He is here because he is hiding from a man outside. The man is very angry with him because Nicobobinus was going to take some apples. We have to write here some from the orchard. The man is threatening to break down the door. The big bolt is closed, but the hinges are cracking and the door is shaking. In the corner of here, there is no need to write any article, shade, there is a garden fork, an axe and a spade. On the shelves are some boxes and a pair of gloves. The window is covered in dirt and there are some large cobwebs on it. In the middle, we have to write here the. In the middle of a large cobweb, there is a big spider that has caught a fly. The wooden walls of the shed have some hooks on them. One has a rope on it and another has a saw hanging on it. Some apples lie on the floor. A mouse is looking out of a hole at an apple. Look at this paragraph. Nicobobinus is leaning back on the lawn roller that he has pushed against the door. A noise and the shaking from behind the door don't seem to be bothering the boy because he has a small grin on his face. He has spotted the catch of a trap door on the floor. This might be a way out of the shade, away from the angry man, and on to freedom or an new adventure. Okay, students. Now the chapter 1 had completed. Okay, thank you.